Well, here I am drying my towel after taking a shower. This is how I like to do it. Both sides like this. This is the first side. Another thing I like to do when I get in the shower, I always put my phone on the charger. It is now charged, so okay, we're good to go. And now I'm gonna prep some pork chops. That's how it's gonna be, man. So we'll throw it in pork chops. Alright. I'm gonna put this in the microwave and defrost it. Nope. And there. There we go. And, so I don't shower every day, to be honest, but I do shower at midnight right before the days where I dialyze. And I take kind of long showers so I can be detailed on how I do it. And I do this kind of funny thing. I actually get in the shower at like 11:30, so that when I'm getting in, that's one day. And when I get out, that's another day. I know that doesn't really count, but that's what I do. And because of that, the only day I actually miss showering as a whole is Saturday. Uh, I used to shower on all days, which I had to go not just to dialysis, but to like doctor appointments, hanging out with friends, anything else. Now I still do that. However, I changed the way I did my schedule. It used to be that I put everything that's not dialysis on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or Sunday. I've decided that I recently changed that. Now I just put everything on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday right after dialysis, so I can keep to my shower schedule and hopefully minimize how often I have to shower on other days. So that's that. So I'm gonna stop this and make this the place where I stop. So I'm gonna go now. Just a nice short video of prep or defrosting pork chops. I'm gonna make another small video of me prepping them in a little bit. Bye for now.